Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix video call problem on Messenger. To fix a video call problem on Facebook Messenger app, you need to follow these steps. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Video calls require a strong and consistent connection, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. 2. Update the Messenger app. If you're using iOS, open the App Store, tap your profile icon, scroll down to see pending updates, and update Messenger if available. If you're using the Android, open the Google Play Store, tap the menu icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines, go to My Apps and Games, and update Messenger if available. 3. Restart the app. Close the Messenger app completely, swipe it away from your recent apps. Reopen the app and try making the video call again. 4. Check permissions. Ensure the Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. If you're using the iOS, go to Settings, then Privacy, then Camera/Microphone, and make sure Messenger is toggled on. If you're using the Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Messenger, then Permissions, and ensure camera and microphone are enabled. 5. Clear cache and data, Android only. So go to Settings if you're using the Android phone, Apps, Messenger, then Storage. Tap Clear cache and then Clear data. Note that clearing data will reset the application, so you may need to log in again. 6. You may need to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix issues. Turn off your phone and turn it back on, then try the video call again. 7. Reinstall the Messenger app. If the issue persists, uninstall Messenger and then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This can resolve any issues within the app itself. 8. Check for system updates. Ensure your device's operating system is up to date. If you're using the iOS, go to Settings, then General, then Software Update. And if you're using the Android, go to Settings, then System, then Software Update. 9. Test the camera and microphone. Open your phone's camera app to ensure the camera is working. Use a voice recorder or another app that uses the microphone to check if it's working properly. 10, which is the last step we're going to go over, contact Facebook support. If none of the above steps works or none of the above steps work, reach out to the Facebook support team through the Help Center or Messenger support options. These processes should help you troubleshoot and fix video call issues on Facebook Messenger. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.